Hello there. Okay, so this is uh, I'm going to be reviewing ExoClick versus Adsterra. Okay, um, and I'm going to be 100% truthful with you guys, just so you can see what's going on. All right. Okay, so I'm a noob. I don't know all the terminology and all that, but what I do know is numbers. Okay, so and this is going to be very very fast. I just want to show you the difference between the two companies. And I did this, uh, and I actually lost a couple dollars. You know what I mean? As I continue to try to grow my business on my website, it's very very obvious to me where my clicks or my traffic is worth more. So okay, so let me go ahead and click here. Okay, this is the last day I was okay, no, actually that was yesterday. Sorry. All right, so boom. I received 11,773 impressions. Video impressions, that's through Vast. I received 73. Clicks, 70 clicks on their ads. The CPV remained at 09. I mean, that's what the CPV was. View ratio was 58, almost 60, almost 59%. Click ratio was 0.59%. ECPM 0.034. And all I received or earnings with the earnings was 40 cents. 40 cents with 11,773 impressions. See, I don't really go into all that other stuff. Like, all I'm seeing is 70 clicks, right? 11,773 impressions, and then I see 40 cents. Wow. So now let's go to Adsterra. Okay, because this is ExoClick versus Adsterra. Okay. All right, boom. So I took one date, which was before I changed. I wanted to see what ExoClick did, and I took one date, and this was a couple of days before, which was March 18th. 7,100 impressions versus 11,000 impressions. Okay, cool. Clicks, 89 clicks versus 70 clicks. Okay, cool. The CTR was 1.245, right?
Here's some results.
Oh, sorry, I didn't. Okay, let me turn my phone off. And the CPM was 1.015. My revenue ended up being 7 and a quarter, 7.25. Well, actually 7.26. I don't know. It doesn't even matter at this point. All I'm saying is I got $7 on 70. See, this is all I see. $7 on 7,100 impressions versus 11,000 impressions and 40 cents. 89 clicks, $7 versus 70 clicks, 40 cents. That's all I see. So what that means is ExoClick is not what I'm trying to live for. ExoClick is not doing, and you know, I tried it. I tried it because I did my due diligence and researched it, and people were saying that, you know, wow, you know, ExoClick has a high CPV or ECPM, no CPM right here, CTR, or no CPM. So we're gonna look at the CPM. Adsterra is way higher for the same exact uh ad space, the same exact traffic. It's not exactly the same traffic, but to go from $7 to 40 cents, come on, come on, come on. So without a doubt, I'm gonna stick with. I'm definitely dumping ExoClick, even though that they pay per week. Adsterra pays bi-weekly, uh, and they hold a month, so it's a month behind. But at the end of the day, I'd rather have more of my own money than to be getting ripped off, because obviously ExoClick. And I'm not saying that they rip you off. And because I'm like a noob, but I just see it. Numbers don't lie. If I'm getting 11,773 impressions, I damn sure shouldn't have 40 cents on that. You know what I mean? And then 70 clicks. Wow, 40 cents. I don't understand how they got to that number, but you know, it is what it is. They got to the number. That's how they do it. And you know, obviously they put a lot of things into. I don't know how they get to the number, but it's just not a number that I want to be familiar with, especially when I'm trying to make money off of my website, my adult website. So, with that said, people, follow us, subscribe, and if you want to get down with Ed's, first of all, you can't just get down with Adsterra. It's real funny. You know what I mean? So, I'm gonna give you a link in the description. Whereas it'll make it a little bit easier for you to make money with them and get approved by them. All right. Peace.